Okay, here is the right side for my sweater. I will pick up my yarn and will make my first chain here. Now you're gonna turn to the inside, like to a wrong side, and you're gonna stitch two close by stitches around the edge. So just make sure that it's very close to your edge stitch. You insert, pick up your first chain. You can adjust this part later, so don't worry about that section here. We're gonna go back to the second stitch here, work another chain, and when you are getting that chain, just bring out of the first chain. Again, stitch back. I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna use. Yeah, this one here, closer to the edge. Just simple chain that you're gonna make. This will add a weight to the wrong side and make it more flatter on the right side. And as you can see on the other side, my right side is just a small stitches right here, very close to edge. I have worked the other side and it helps just keeping it flatter than before. And on the right side, on the wrong side, you're gonna see just very small chains. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and find it useful. Thank you very much for watching.